So we've seen our online sales essentially triple over the last 2 years. Originally, we reached out to Missing Link on a branch or a local level, just to run a couple of social media campaigns. We had a fair bit of success with those, and so we then went back to Missing Link. What we really wanted to do was just increase sales across all our stores all over the country and do it in a coordinated way.
The solution we ended up implementing for them looked at pretty much all of the channels that we initially understood would move people through their buyer journey. So, social media marketing ads for creating awareness and generating inquiries. We looked at Google ads to try to capitalize on people who are actually searching for products that are similar to theirs. We even looked at their website. We made some changes to their homepage, restructured that to increase the conversion rate. For LinkedIn, we lent into more of that corporate business-to-business style advertising. It's a great platform for that, for fleet sales. And then we looked to Facebook and Instagram for your general trades style of business. So it was a really holistic approach that we took for them.
What we've been really impressed with them, they really understood our client base and they really knew how to focus in and target that.
With Caddy, when we started working with them, we had an idea that with the audience that we identified, it'd be pretty fun to get a little more creative with the visual assets and use a little humor and try to capture them that way.
The thing that I've really enjoyed the most, or what I've considered to be the most beneficial, is that they really pushed the video marketing. And for us, we've taken a sort of fun approach to that video marketing, which was all sort of guided via Missing Link, and it's just been fantastic. The views and the hits we've had on our products we've been blown away by it, and so we've become massive fans of that video medium.
When we implemented the new comedy visual assets, we saw a significant drop of cost per website traffic, and that was a 571% drop. So it was a huge win for all of us.
So it was really good the way they honed in and worked out that our market, it's fleets, it's trades, and really pinpointed it so we got the best bang for your buck.
One of the things that me and my team really love about marketing and sales is it's always evolving. And so once we achieve a goal for a client like we did with Caddy, we're always trying to set a new goal, and then we're uncovering the missing link of where they are now, where they want to be, and how we can bridge that gap.
I guess we've been dealing with Missing Link now for, it has been a couple of years. And the nice thing about it is it's really measurable what they do. And our choice to go to Missing Link has definitely been the best thing that we've done.